Hi guys. These days, online teaching is getting more and more common. The problem comes with the people who are teaching technical subjects like mathematics is when they are in the room, they have a big board, but when they are doing an online thing, it comes down to a very small screen. And that creates a problem for the other sides to fully understand and even for the tutor to create a logistic flow. Plus, every the things is not reusable. So here I am demonstrating uh, a platform where you can do live teaching, which is kind of very intuitive. The questions are very, very clear, and everything is reusable. So let's start over. So I go to my browser, favorite browser, and there is a website by the name of Overleaf, which basically supports latex uh, writing. And from the mathematics perspective, latex is the gold standard for writing equations. So any type of equations, the one of the most complex equations can be written in latex. Now, how about doing something very basic and then we see how we can do it. So these are my files here. This is my code editor, and this is how it will finally look around. So when we are doing some real-time thing, then obviously what we do is we make this area bigger um, so that more place can be there to write it. Now I create a new file here and just any name I create a file here. This is here. Now there are two things, source and rich text. So when we are going for live, we go for the rich text. So in the rich text, if we have to write something, we can just write this is example. Now when it comes to writing an equation, all we have to do is put up a dollar sign, and then we can write an equation like x to the power 2 is equal to y to the power 2 plus z to the power 2, and then we close it, and as soon as we this put it down, the equation appears. So once you get a very bit grasp on this, you can keep typing it and you can create nice equations. Now where to find the syntax? Now the syntax is written here, like if you say latex and mathematics, the first thing that you get is, again, you go to the Overleaf website. So here it is a very nice introduction on how to write equations, like this is for the Pythagoras theorem. So it's very simple. It's very, very simple to write it. Um, so this is the reference guide, like how we have to put alpha, beta, gamma, rho, binary operators, the relation operators, and the others like the integration and the sigma. Um, I'm not from the maths background, I'm from the computer background, so it would make more sense to you. Now, I do some examples. So either you can type it in real time, but for here, for the sake of uh, uh, seeing things faster, I will just I have written it all earlier, so I just copy it here and paste it to just to show how things work. So as soon as I type this, so everything starts with a dollar, ends with a dollar, and then 2x to the power 2 minus 7x minus 10, and if I press it, converts it into an equation. If I again point it to someone, it again converts it into a editable equation, and the moment we move away, we get the equation. So let's do some more things here, like see, I'm just here copying and pasting just to save time and not to So as soon as I move forward, it turns into an equation, and it's very easy, like underscore and slash fraction. So if you have to write a real equation, it's something like as simple as this, like put dollar, then do this, and suppose fraction. Fraction, it already gives the syntax, and if I select this, it will say x, y. We can put something to equal, or we can here just we end it and see it comes as a fraction. So any type of equations can be very easily and very fast written down uh, to this, and I show you through some examples here. So this is a integration equation, very fast. So you can keep writing it and keep showing it, and what I do here is just copy all of them and paste it. So this was an equation, like x is equal to y, and this is subscript ij for y. Then these are some more complex formulas like cost functions and those things. So in this way it can be written, it can be formatted. You can basically give the statement, this is a matrix, and so on. Now, another problem with latex in maths that is often faced is the graphs. Now, how we are to draw the graphs? Now, for graphs, there is a separate library text like that I will discuss in some other video. But to demonstrate that, like, see, this was the thing that I did it for Pythagoras theorem, and I have to bring back my side editor. So now here it is all the statements that I have written it, and then it gives me the equations like the x square plus y square is equal to z square. I can draw a triangle, I can draw complex images, equations, graphs, and everything is possible here. And one such things is like on the website I can port that information on the website, which is very easy to do. So this is an example of the Pythagoras theorem. And at the end, not the least, this was recorded using OBS software. So this is the OBS software. You can record anything and literally everything. You have to just add the threads here, and you can start streaming. There you can set up shortcuts, but this is how it is. So I'm stopping the recording and hope you enjoyed it.